Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy to Learn Tech. In today's video I am going to show you how easily you can do BDS servicing of your indoor by using the high water pressure. BDS servicing is breakdown service. As you can see, my blower is totally choked, and when our indoor is installed in wall and we can't clean the blower properly and below the evaporator coil, that's why we have to remove our indoor. As you can see, my blower is totally choked and I can't clean when it is installed in the wall. Let's start now by removing all the parts, and we have to be very careful because all our fiber locks and all, if it get break once, then it will occur the vibration. Now you can see my front top panel of the indoor unit is removed. Now let's remove the filter, and you can see my filter is totally clean because each 3 months I clean my filter to avoid the unwanted dust and particles to get contact with the evaporator. That's why we have to clean within 3 months once. Let's open the swing motor. For each model of the air conditioning we have different type of lock and different type of screw fix. For each model we have to be very careful for the lock which are made of fiber. Our swing motor is removed, and already I have removed the earthing wires. You can see there, these are the 2 earthing wires I have removed. Then we have to remove the coil sensor. Then I am going to remove the room sensor. These are the parts which we have to remove to get our PCB out. Our front cover is also removed, and we have to be very careful while removing all these parts because the PCB is the main part of our air conditioning, give the commands and supply to the outdoor. We have to be very careful while disassembling our PCB. Now we are going to unscrew the 2 screws which hold our fan motor and the PCB base. As I told you, for each model we have different type of lock and different type of screw, and we have to be very careful to disassemble the parts. And you can see my first screw is already removed. On this area we have to use a magnetic screwdriver that we can easily remove our screws, or at the last when we remove our PCB, then we can get our screw back. Second one is also removed. Now we are going to remove the power terminal which is going to the outdoor with CP and neutral and earthing. We have to disconnect our outdoor wiring which is going from the indoor PCB to the outdoor, and our earthing wire is also removed. And in the same place we can tighten our screws because otherwise we will lose our screw, then it will make vibration noise. And our outdoor wire is removed. Now I am removing the fan cord. Fan zip is also removed because in indoor unit we have 2 connections, fan and outdoor unit, to disconnect. This is the one lock on the top of the indoor for the PCB base. As you can see, our PCB base is removed, and you can see there. Now we have to remove the wire of our fan motor. One already I have removed. Now I have to remove the second one which give all the commands to the fan motor. This is the second one, and already I removed this one. Now I have to take the wire of the fan motor out from the PCB, and our PCB is totally, now we can remove the PCB easily now. As you can see, our PCB is removed now, and we have to be very careful while removing the PCB. Only we have the fan wires and outdoor wire to disconnect, and our PCB is removed now. Now to remove the fan motor, we have to rotate the blower and we have to get our screw on the top, and we have to lose it little bit. As you can see, I am losing the blower from blower motor. Already I have untied. Now I will remove the blower motor. Our blower motor is removed now. Next step, we have to go to remove our water tray. While removing the water tray, we have to be very careful, because if it get crack or something like that, and when we will install our aircon, that time we can get the water leakage problem. And we have to clean the each and every part what we are removing. As you can see, my water tray is also removed, and this is the drain pipe also. We have to clean it properly. And you can see our water tray is fully made of fiber. While removing, we should be very careful. Now easily you can see the blower motor. Easily you can see the blower now, how dusty it is. As I am showing you, you can see now this obstruct the air flow. That's why we have to do the BDS according to the use of our air conditioning. This is the one lock, fiber lock, to hold the evaporator, and this is the second one. And for all brands we have different type of lock and different type of screw. We have to be very careful. Now I am removing the evaporator coil. Our evaporator coil is removed now. Only we have the base of the window and the blower. On the left side of the blower we have the rubber bush. This one we have to remove it properly. If it doesn't get removed, then we have to push our blower fan one side. Now you can see our rubber bush is also removed. And you can see our base, how much dirt it is. And you can see our blower is totally choked, which will obstruct the fresh air to get circulate properly. According to the use, we have to do the BDS servicing, and you can see the base is totally dirty. Now all the parts we have to bring outside for washing. I will clean it by using high water pressure. You can see this is my high water pressure. I will connect the water and electricity. This is my gun. Now you see this is the base of our window, which I am cleaning now. We can use some type of solution to clean it easily, and we have to adjust our pressure of the gun from the high water pressure, otherwise it can break our fiber parts. And just we have to rotate it now. And one more thing I will show you now. You must be knowing or not, that I don't know. On the back side of our main base we have a small water tray here. The water comes from the back side of our evaporator coil. We have to clean this one thoroughly, because this can cause water leakage from the back side. And when it is in the wall, that time it is not easy to clean the backside tray. And from here the water goes to the main tray. Now you can see our base is totally clean now, and I will keep it to dry for some time. Now I am going to take water tray, and when we clean the water tray we have to be very careful, because this is the fiber part and we have fins, and we have to clean our drain pipe also properly. Now one side is clean. Now this is the main part of the water tray I have to clean, because when it get dry all the dust get accumulated into that and it becomes solid. You can see the pressure what I am using is light pressure. If we will use the high pressure, then it can damage our parts. And our water tray is also finished. Now I will keep it to dry for some time. Let it dry for some time. All the parts we have to dry it properly. And you can see our blower, which was totally choked. Now you can see our blower is totally clean now, like a brand new, and it will allow our fresh air to rotate properly. This also we have to make it dry for some time. And you can see the visibility, we can see from one side to the another side. It means our blower is totally clean. Let it dry for some time. Now you can see the mold and dust what we have get from our units removed. For fins we have to totally adjust our pressure to low because we have thin particle of aluminium fins and copper which can damage our evaporator coil. First of all, we have to clean from the inside. Let all the dust and mold which are present inside can go on the other side. Now we have to rotate it and we have to use it on this side. You can see the black spot now getting clean now. Our maximum of our evaporator is also clean. Again, same way we have to clean on the opposite side. We have to use the pressure in minimum speed. Now you can see our evaporator is also totally clean, and we have to make it dry for some time. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any problem while doing the troubleshooting, please comment on this video.